the Subaru Impreza WRX, based on one of the most famous rally cars driven by drivers like Peter Solberg, and I've somehow bought one at 19. Although I'll admit, my one does have a few issues. My name's Daniel, and I've always been a fan of JDM cars, and this is my first project car that I'll be fixing along with my dad and posting the progress online. For some background info, the car has had a not so successful engine rebuild and has been sitting without an MOT for over a decade. When I saw the post on Marketplace and found out its history, I knew I had to bring this car back to its glory days. Even though it's not the best financial decision at my age, I got a good deal with the car only having surface rust underneath and an unhappy engine bay, to say the least. For those who are interested, I'll put what we've tried doing to fix the car in the description, and if you're into cars like me and my dad, feel free to follow us along on this journey.